Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps Tech channel. In the previous videos, I have covered what is Grafana and the Grafana installation, and I have shown you how to integrate the Grafana with CloudWatch. In this video, I am going to cover Grafana administration part. That means I will show you how to create the users and how we can manage them. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, please go through it and watch them. If you want any documentation or something, you can go through my website devopstack.in. You can find all the tutorials there. So let's get started our topic. If you want to create any user, you have to be server admin in Grafana. If you are server admin, then only you can able to create the users and you can able to manage them. This is the server admin icon. So if you haven't seen this icon, you can't create the users. If you want to create the user, you have this icon. Okay, let me click on the server admin and users. By default, whenever you install the Grafana, you will get admin user, right? So if you want to create any user, you can click on this new user icon. Here I am giving the name called Dilip. Here I am giving temporary Gmail ID and username called Dilip and providing password as Dilip. Okay. Once you provide all the details, click on this create user. So here is the created user. Please click on this user once. See here, whatever you provided till now, that user information is displaying here. If you want to change, you can edit all the details. So if you want to disable that user, you can disable the user. Okay, you can delete user as well also. Okay, coming to the drag these ones. Coming to the permissions part and organization part, whenever you create the user, that user get the default permissions such as Grafana admin no and organization role as viewer. Okay, I will explain you what are the roles in organization in the few seconds. Here you have to remember, whenever you create the user, that user will not get the permission Grafana admin. Okay, and also he only gets the viewer role only. Okay, let me do one thing here. Let me copy IP address. I'm going to access this Grafana in Explorer. Okay. My Grafana is loading now. So here what I am trying to do is I'm trying to log in as Dilip user. So we will see what are the options come. Okay, never. Wait for a second, it's loading. See, the newly created user will not get any options like this. See, why? Because he's not an admin, right? So by default, Grafana admin permission is no. That's why he's not able to get any icons here. And also, he has only role as viewer. That's why is able to see only the dashboard. Okay. Okay, let me explain you organization roles. If you click on the change role, you will find admin organization role and editor and viewer roles. So if the user have the viewer role, that user can view any dashboard, and that user cannot create or edit dashboards nor data sources. Let me show you here. So here we have created the leap user, right? So he didn't get any options. Why? Because he has the viewer role. He can't create or edit dashboards nor data sources. He only view the dashboards. That's it. If you want to change the user role, just click on this. Let me give the editor role here. Let me save it, and here refresh. Let's see what will happen here. See, some of the icons are populated. Explore and alerting. So if you select the editor role, the user can create and modify dashboards and alert roles. Okay, he can create the dashboards and he can manage the dashboards. Okay, he can create the alerts as well. And let me change that user role as admin. Save it and refresh it once. Let's see what will happen once you change the role as admin. See, the leap user get the configuration icon here. He can do everything scope to the organization. Like he can edit data sources and add and edit organization users and teams. He can configure the app plugins and he can set organization settings as well. So, but if you observe here, he didn't get server admin icon, right? If you see here this admin, he got the server admin icon, but he didn't get server admin icon. Why? Because if you see here, the permission that Grafana admin is no. If you change here, yes, change it, refresh it once. See that the leap user also got the server admin icon. Now he is able to create the users, organization, and he can manage settings as well. Okay, like this you can create the users. I hope you have an idea how to create the users. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.